Starting a review or research article can feel overwhelming, especially for students new to academic writing. The first challenge is often uncertainty: what topic to choose, where to begin, and how to ensure your work stands out. Many students wonder if their topic is too broad or too narrow, or if there's enough material available to support their ideas. These early questions are normal and form the foundation for a successful article. In this video, we'll break down the most common questions. Selecting a topic is a crucial first step. Ask yourself, is my topic clear, focused, and researchable? Avoid topics that are too broad, as they can be difficult to cover in detail. On the other hand, an extremely narrow topic might not have enough published research to support your work. Conduct a preliminary search in journals and databases to ensure there's enough credible material available. Remember, a good topic is both original and addresses a gap in existing knowledge. This careful selection. Once you have a topic, the next challenge is finding credible sources. Use academic databases like PubMed, Scopus, or Google Scholar to gather both recent and foundational studies. It's important to include the most up-to-date research, as well as classic papers that shaped the field. Managing a large number of articles can be daunting, so consider using tools like Zotero or Mendeley to keep your references organized. Systematic tracking of authors, titles, and publication details will. Reading the literature is just the beginning. True understanding comes from summarizing complex studies in your own words. Focus on the objective, method, results, and conclusions of each study. Distinguish between primary sources, which are original research, and secondary sources, which review or summarize primary research. Paraphrasing instead of copying ensures your work is original and reduces the risk of plagiarism. This step is essential for building a strong foundation for your article. Great article goes beyond summarizing studies. Critical analysis means comparing methodology, sample sizes, and outcomes across different research. Look for gaps, contradictions, or limitations in the literature. For example, if two studies report different results, analyze why that might be. Providing your own insights and evaluating the evidence shows a deeper understanding of the topic and strengthens your article's impact. Organization is key to clarity. Review articles and research articles have different structure. A review article typically includes an introduction, themed section, critical analysis, and a conclusion. A research article is more rigid, with an abstract, introduction, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. Following a logical flow helps readers understand your argument and makes your article easier to follow. Each section should be clear, concise, and serve a specific purpose. It's important to understand the differences between review and research articles. Review articles summarize, analyze, and interpret existing research, relying on secondary data. Their goal is to identify trends and gaps in the field. Research articles, on the other hand, present original findings from experiment or survey using primary data. They are structured with sections like methods and results and are generally longer due to detailed reporting. Knowing these differences helps you choose. Each section of your article has typical word count ranges, which can vary by journal. For example, abstracts are usually 150-300 words, introductions range from 400-800 words, and discussions can be up to 200 words. Review articles often have longer literature reviews, while research articles dedicate more space to methods and results. Keeping within these guidelines ensures your article meets expectations and maintains clarity. Referencing is essential in academic writing. Different fields use different citation style, such as APA for social sciences, MLA for humanity, Vancouver for medicine, and IEE for engineering. Each style has specific rules for in-text citations and reference lists. Always check your target journal's guideline to ensure you're using the correct format. Accurate citations give credit to original author and help readers verify your sources. Plagiarism is a serious academic offense. To avoid it, always paraphrase information in your own words and provide proper citation. Never copy sentences directly unless you're quoting, and even then, use quotation marks and cite the source. Double-check that every in-text citation appears in your bibliography and vice versa. Using citation management tools can help you keep track of your references and avoid accidental omission. Academic writing should be formal, clear, and concise. Avoid casual language and ensure each paragraph has a clear topic sentence, supporting evidence, and a closing statement. The abstract should summarize the purpose, method, results, and conclusion in a brief, focused way. Your conclusion should synthesize the main finding and suggest future research or practical application. Clear writing makes your article more accessible and impactful. For submitting your article, thorough review and revision are essential. Proofread for grammar, spelling, and formatting errors. Make sure your article meets all journal or assignment guidelines, including font, spacing, and heading. Getting feedback from peers or mentors can reveal gaps or unclear sections you might have missed. Revision is a normal part of the writing process and helps ensure your work is polished and professional. Choosing the right journal for submission is a key step. Consider the journal's scope, audience, and acceptance criteria. Common reasons for rejection include poor fit, lack of originality, or methodological flaws. If your article is rejected, don't be discouraged. Use review comments to improve your work and try again. Responding thoughtfully to feedback shows professionalism and increases your chances of publication. Let's recap the stepwise guide for writing review and research articles. 1. Choose a clear focused topic. 2. Conduct a thorough literature search. 3. Understand and summarize key study. 4. Critically analyze the literature. 5. Structure your article logically. 6. Reference accurately. 7. Write clearly and concisely. 8. Review and revise before submission. Following these steps will help you produce a strong, well-organized article ready for publication. Writing a review or research article is a journey that builds valuable skills in critical thinking, organization, and communication. While the process can be challenging, each step brings you closer to producing meaningful academic work. Remember, it's normal to face questions and obstacles along the way. With careful planning, attention to detail, and a willingness to revise, you can create articles that contribute to your field and advance your academic goals. Good luck on your writing journey.